How far have you come since starting Transform 365? Let's reflect and reset. Welcome to day 19, the final day of week 3. Today is all about reflecting on your progress, not just this week but across the entire challenge so far, and resetting for week 4. Reflection helps you celebrate wins, learn from challenges, and refocus on what matters most as we move forward. Here is how we are going to approach today's task. Take some time to think about how far you have come since starting Transform 365. Ask yourself these questions. What progress have I made since week 1? For example, have you gotten better at setting goals, building habits, or managing your time? What habits or strategies have made the biggest difference so far? Maybe journaling has helped you stay clear headed, or choosing daily highlights has made your days feel more productive. What challenges have I faced, and how did I overcome them? Did eliminating distractions help you regain focus? Did starting small with habits make it easier to stay consistent? Write down these reflections in your journal. It's important to acknowledge both wins as well as lessons learned. Don't forget to celebrate how far you have come. Even small wins matter because they build momentum. If you successfully eliminated one distraction this week, treat yourself to something small like a relaxing cup of tea or an episode of your favorite show. If you have been consistent with your daily highlights, reflect on how much more intentional your days have felt. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated as we move into week 4. Now let's reset for week 4 by asking yourself, what adjustments can I make moving forward? If mornings felt rushed this week, try planning your daily highlight the night before. How can I stay aligned with my vision and goals? Revisit the vision and goals that you set in week 1. Are there any goals that need more attention next week? Finally, write down one actionable step for week 4 based on what you have learned so far. Share one insight about your overall progress using the hashtag Transform365, or let us know what adjustments you are making for the next week. I would love to celebrate with you.